Hi, this is a demo to demo the ioda application via startup by double clicking. I scale a bit in order to fit in the video area. Then ioda is a viewer for some scientific file format as the root file format developed at CERN to store some statistical data as histogram and tuple. And here I open a demo file that comes with the app under the resources directory. And I choose the root file. Here I choose a demo root, and here I can see the content of the file. And if I do that, I visualize this histogram. Here I visualize a 2D histogram. But in it you have some kind of n-tuple, they call that a T3. It is some kind of table, and what you want in general is to do the projection of a column of the n-tuple in a histogram. Then here I choose a column, this one. Then the software proposes some booking parameter of the histogram, and if I do that, I have the projection of the column. Typically, what you may want to do is, for example, to do a fit of the data of the histo. Here I'm going to fit with a Gaussian function. I choose the default parameter for the fitter, and you see the result here, which seems to be a Gaussian distribution. Then with ioda you have two modes. One is the GUI and one is the viewing of the scene here. What you can do, then you can clear the scene behind. You can also visualize other kind of data, as for example some geometry. For example, the GDML format, which is a Geant4 file format. Geant4 is a simulation toolkit which is well known now in HEP and other area of science. Then here, for example, I can choose this one. Here I can. Here I have this camera push button that map this little button here that permit me to view things in 3D. I have the parameters button here that permit me, for example, to change the background of the scene. What we can do, then I can clear the scene here. We can visualize also another kind of geometry, which is something very specific developed in a lab in France for the Atlas experiment at the LHC. And here I show an event in Atlas. What ioda can do is also use the GPU. Here I show the GPU, and we definitely see a difference of performances here in visualization in this case. Then ioda is a viewer, is intended to be some kind of generic viewer for things related to what we are doing. What we can show, I look at my demo list here, then plot fit, customize. Yes, we can customize histogram styles. For example, if I do that, I can choose the first. What I can do. Come back to the home menu, plot, edit plot, overall style. I can choose this style here. And we see that the style of this second plot has changed. There is also the possibility to, here I have two histogram region. I can arrange to have the second one map the whole scene with this, with the plot here, should current to one. In fact, here the plot can be moved, but it could be moved in 3D. Oops. What we can do is to pick an object here. There is a pop-up and the object is instrumented with a dragger. I can move around my plot here. And it works also for the 3D scenes. Since we are interested in also in astronomy, we can open the fix file, which is well known in astronomy. Can visualize the content here. I have what they call a HDU. I choose image IDU. I choose to visualize. Here I have to choose what they call, the astronomers call, lookup table. And okay, there is some goodies here I have to do. And I see here the content of the picture. Yeah, I can also move that around. In this particular case, what I can do also is to trigger the show pixel here, and when I move on a pixel, I see the value of the pixel, the red one, or black one, and this works in 3D. That is to say, if you move around, we are able to find back the correct pixel. This, I hope, is going to be used for some experiment, for some next generation of telescope as the LSST1. And well, when you have something like that, you can export for example, to export the JPEG of the view here, and this is deposited in the document directory of the application. And well, in fact, if I do a clear, I should be able to visualize the JPEG. Let us put this background. Files. Then if I choose a JPEG, some filters in JPEG. Out the JPEG here, I see my JPEG. It is truly a JPEG here. And I can pick that. Can move around. And I think that this is a good little tour of what we can do. Right now, what I have on the iPhone version is the export. I can send the picture by email, but here right now on the Cocoa version, I don't know how to do that. Then I hope that in the future version I should be able to do that. There is on the example there is some kind of slides summary that are done with our software that sum up our what we want to do and how it is done. It is done with software that we call Softinex, and if you want to browse, you can some kind of you can use ioda as some kind of slides presenter, and it's a sum up of what it can do. And yes, this application can send picture to a wall of screen, which is something very nice. Okay, and I think I'm going to stop here. Yes, and I quit here, and that's all.